and today I will show you how to do a double wall carved pieces. Now I'm going to work on the outside clay. I don't want too much water in between this gully because once I pour it up, I will not be able to get my hands back in there. And yet I have to use water as my lubricant, so I have to keep bringing in water at the same time absorbing it. I try to stay the distance between those two walls as close as possible. And the thickness of the wall should be about the same.